and recording, and this time not forgetting announcement. Not forgetting. Yeah, hello, hi. Okay, I'm live on YouTube, I think. Yo! Ah, fireworks, let's go. Yay. Yeah, thank you. What was that? Oh, it won't tell me. Thank you very much. Hang on, I gotta go find the Twitch overlay. Yo, Myriad! Yo, Puggies. Yo, I like how my old stuff died, but the new stuff is still alive. It's a proof of concept that actually works. Hell yeah. Let's go. Okay, there we go. That is the announcement. Bam. Done. Didn't forget this time. Didn't forget this time. Nice. Yeah, hello. Hi. My scuffed chat from my yeah, okay. So we need to work out my other overlay completely died. It was an unwrap shenanigan. Oh no. Oh no. Let me open up Zed. Yo, why is hang on. Hang on. I forgot to delete all my Firefoxes. All of them. TTS redeem. Yeah, it doesn't work. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My like old overlay doesn't work, and so that includes TTS redeem. Hang on. Well, I say hang on, but it's gonna be a hot second, I think. Well, okay, if we head over here, yeah, this is right. If we head over here and I get rid of the timer. Timer, go away. Go away, timer. Yo, why am I so off to the side? Yo, who put me in the corner? Who put me in the corner? Why am I in the naughty corner? Okay, random unwraps? Well, usually they're not random. Source chat. Okay, this is what happened. Source chat emotes 95 result unwrap. Okay, how did that die? Like actually. Wait, no, this is my overlay, owl overlay. This one. Yeah, why am I small? Yeah, what the? Big. Big. Oh shit. Welcome back, Plutonium. Thank you for gracing us with your wise words yet again. My. Okay, so chat. So what was it? It's source chat emotes. Okay, can we find that? Source chat emotes. So it's here, and then 95. 95. What happened? Oh, look at that. It tried to query the internet. Oh, yeah, why is there an unwrap there? Why was I like, oh yes, that's always gonna work. Oh my god. Yo, my arrow keys don't work, it's bugged again. Oh my god. What's wrong with Zed? Okay, we'll just lit okay this, right? Surely we can just lit okay this. Oops. We'll lit okay this, get rid of the unwrap and just go else return. Yeah. Exactly. And then we build it. Okay, done. Bug fixed. Time to bring back the overlay. Helix. This one. I mean, I can't. I really should move everything to the new overlay because clearly the new overlay just fucking destroys. It's still going. Hello. Hesterton, yeah. Yeah, everyone deserves a shout out. Holy. Thank you for that, Nora. Presumably. Unless it was Asterton. Yo, what if Asterton gave a shout out to themselves? Oh, wait, they can't. They're not mud. Yo, nice. Yeah, that's. Oh yeah, new overlay is it's rebooting. Overlay is rebooting. Yo, I should get a overlay rebooting sequence that plays while it compiles. What do we think about that? What do we think about that? So what's happening here? Is it like, oh, it's very finicky. Okay, everything's back. Redeem should work again. Redeem should work. Oh man, I really want to redo my overlay. Oh fuck. I'm not gonna be able to though. I don't have enough time. I got game to develop. Wait, TTS is working in as well. Don't blow your cover. You can't be a VIP and a moderator. I'm sorry. It's not possible. There's too much power for one person to have both. Too much. Sheesh. I don't remember what we were working on. Does anyone else remember what we were working on last time? Oh no, did I compile this in release mode? Uh-oh. You don't need to be a moderator. Banning people seems too much work. It's okay, we have Owlbot for that. Oh man, I compiled the release version. Oh, that's a little cringe. Oh well. We'll be developing in release mode today. Until it breaks, of course. Yeah, I don't remember what we were up to. I don't know what I need to do to the game. Does anyone else know what I was trying to fix when we got distracted yesterday? Wanting to learn more German? I do want to learn more German. I would love to. We could do that today. I would like to do that today. I haven't learned any German in like 4 days. Learning more German's always on the table. Lehrerin Deutsch. I don't know the words for table and always. And on is like Alf, right? Oh, no, Alf is Alf. Alf. Lauren. Alf table. I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so bad. My German. Let's see what the translator says about Deutsch. What does it say about table? Can you translate on the table literally in German? Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, this looks like French. Why does it say tabelle? That looks like French. This is not. Is it French? No, tableau. Okay. Yeah, what the? Why? translated a table as a table of contents. Oh my god. Oh, 11 Schmittelish. Lieben Schmittelish. Oh no, it's a tish. There's a T there. There's a LT. Oh, Lieben Schmittel. Stish. Oh no, it's the SCH. Oh, that makes a sound. That makes a sound. I forgot. My god. Tisch first tablet. Oh, tabella. Tabella. Oh. Is it Tish or is SCH like Tish? Is it like Tish or Tish? I forgot. SCH. Oh man, it's been too long. It's SH? Oh, nice. So, Leben's Schmittel Tisch. Schmittel, yeah. A Lebensmittel Tisch. Is that a food table? Is Leben literally just food? Oh my god. Yo, what's wrong with this highlighting? Leben? Life. Oh, it's a life table. What the? A life of food table? Yeah, I think that word's not right. I think my translator is trying to like teach me some bad German. Maybe I'm bamboozling myself. Maybe it is correct. Man, I should just like look it up. Yo, what the? I hit all 3 of them. That's wild. Lebensmittel can be a literal translation of food. What's an actual translation of food? What would you use for food? The word. Lebensmittel is actually more correctly translated to grocery. It's a grocery table. Essen? It's just Essen? Oh my god. I thought it had a different name. I thought Essen was just common use, but okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Esstisch, dining table. Lernen Deutsch auf Esstisch. Oh my god. I can feel that sentence is just so full of wrong. Oh no. Yeah, I really like Alf. I really should remember what it actually means. I don't know if it's actually on. On seems incorrect. No, it is on, according. It says, well, this translator thing says it's on definite. Deutsch lernen. Oh, it's lernen, not lernen. Oh my god. Deutsch lernen ist immer auf dem Tisch. German learning is immer. Oh, you know immer. Auf dem Tisch. Tisch. Is on the table. Immer. Imminent? I'm at immer. Immer. Always. Immer. Always. Yo. I need to remember immer. I like immer. Immer coding. Immer lernen. Lernen? Immer lernen. Ich bin immer lernen. Oh no, ich bin ist immer lernen. Is that I'm always learning? Yeah. Is that I am always learning? Well, I guess it's a direct translation, so I don't know if it's actually correct. other than it would convey information. Ich lerne immer. Ah, ich lerne immer. Man, I would like to learn more German. It is true. I'm pretty excited, actually. There is no direct translation of a present progressive. A present progressive. I don't think I even know what that means in English. Present progressive. Present continuous. Is a verb form used in modern English that combines the present tense with continuous aspect. Oh, yo, that sounds cool. That sounds sick. Present progressive is when you are doing something, while present tense you do something. Oh yeah, we looked it up just now. Be plus ing in the English being. I am being dumb. Yo, how long until I do a German only stream? You are versus you are being. You do versus you are doing. Ah, so you can't. Okay. The more we know. The more we know. Yo, I didn't work out what we needed to do. Oh, you know what we need to do? We need to make the 3 tiles for re-rolling characters. In French, it doesn't exist, which explains why we go, I eat my food now. Oh, because there's no will. It's not I will eat my food now. It's just I eat my food now. So if someone, okay, question then, if that's true, if someone only knew English and then they instantly learnt they learnt through like a magic spell or something, they were able to understand other languages but only the direct translations to them, would it sound like people are being like unga bunga caveman speak? Although eating is like a current continuous word, because yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I like unga bunga. Unga bunga. Hello, welcome in, Vix. Did you join just for me to say that statement? Hello. You join and all you hear is like, I like unga bunga. Yeah, I love a bit of unga bunga. Yeah, we were learning about German already. We kickstarted the German. I learned the word immer and something about other languages not having a present continuous verb. Because I wanted to say I am always learning German. But now I know that a correct way of saying it is probably ish learner imma, yeah. Switch Rust syntax to German. I don't think it works like that. I'm pretty sure programming is almost always like pretty English focused. I mean, they probably have a German option though. But like my understanding is programming is like highly just like English dominated. Unless you're doing the esoteric languages where it actually does do the things. So, you know what I worked out today? And I don't know if I'm dumb. Maybe I am dumb. But I've been having tonic water. And for some godforsaken reason, it didn't occur to me I could like put some tonic water in my cup. And then I could put normal water in my cup. And it would still be good. And so I've been drinking tonic water at like full strength for like the last like 3 weeks. And like it's all right. It's all right, but like it's kind of more pleasant with more water. Oh my god. Yo, a scammer. Yo, they got past the bot detection. What the? Yo. Wow, it's been a while since Albot failed. Oh wait, they didn't. It's not a bot. Yo, nice. Yo, nice little troll. You got me. You got me, Nixon. I didn't read all the way through. I didn't read all the way through. It was a troll, and the bot let it through because it's a fake troll. You're so confused right now. Yeah, so like their thing is meant to like they're mimicking being a scammer, but like the link is localhost. But yeah. Oh well. But yo, does this mean my bot is sentient? Is our bot that smart? They lit it through because it's a legit, not a scam, but it looked like a scam. It passed the all the like conscious life were like, oh, that's a scam, but our bot was like, actually, it's not a scam. Holy. But you know, like what? I don't really want to give this person more spotlight, but like, what do you think they hope to gain from that? Because like, I imagine they should be expecting their message to get deleted because it's literally just spam. But like, what else? I guess that's it. I guess that's it. Okay, I'm done entertaining them. Finish. You learn C sharp in Colleg, and it's basically a completely different experience in German. Is it? I don't know if you're trolling. Vec few. Wait. Vec 3 new normalizer oder null easy. Oh, you're funny. You're funny. Holy dooly. Holy moly? Holy dooly. What am I looking for? I'm looking for I don't actually know what I was looking for. I think I'm gonna add the 3 buttons for placing characters for well like for yeah, what am I trying to say? Re-rolling characters. I need the 3 tiles for re-rolling characters. Because I think that will be pretty pog. Because basically you can trade in 3 characters for, I guess, maybe a coin, and then we just go through the coin system. Okay, set up gacha screen. So here is where we set up our 5, oh shit. Our 5 tiles. Copy. And then here we should set up another 3 tiles, but we want it to be at the other angle. I don't know where this ends up actually. 7. And then instead of a loot tile, I think it becomes a move tile. Can move. Is it just a regular tile? It might be just a regular tile. Slab texture's basic. Let's give it the wood texture, just so we know which one it is. Okay, let's have a look at what that looks like. Cheating. G heckin' G. Yo, is anyone else's tongue sensitive? It's not as funny as it sounds. If I have too much sour or too much acidic, which like at some point that's true for everyone, but it happens much earlier for me than it is for other people. The like the sour flavor, or the like citrus acidic, it like burns your tongue, and then you have like a burnt spot on your tongue for a while, and you can like feel it all of the time. Yeah, thanks for watering me, Nora. Yep, same. At what levels though? Like, is it early on? Like, if you eat a pineapple, is your like if I eat a pineapple, my tongue literally starts bleeding. Unless I only have like the tiniest amount. Like, I literally get attacked by the pineapple and start bleeding. Not that bad. It eats my tongue. I eat it and it eats me back. Don't get you wrong, the syntax is still the same in German, but due to difference in how things are worded, it phrases it differently in your head, and sometimes the translations feel really forced. Yeah. Pineapple tastes like soap. You don't have the soap gene, though. What is going on here? Why is the Y not iterating? Pineapple tastes like soap. It certainly has a... Yeah, I don't know. Don't know. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Your coriander gene has mutated to recognize pineapple instead. What does the internet say? Does coriander have a strong taste? Yeah, you might have the soap gene, astatin, maybe. Because like this one says it is a vibrant, refreshing flavor, and looking at things with safe search off is a brave move. I always look at things with safe search off. It's true. It's true. It's just day-to-day life. I do it at work too. Follow suit. Maybe, because like, Aston described it as something rare, a little bit bland, and that's different to this. But like, maybe it's different though. Some describe the taste as bright, zesty, even slightly peppery. Peppery? What the? Okay, but the nuts, the seeds, a warm nutty flavor, so that's slightly spicy. Cilantro? Coriander. But yes, coriander slash cilantro slash the soap plant. It is true. It is true. It is the soap plant. Definitely doesn't taste like nuts. Yeah, you might have the gene, Astatin. And not warm. Warm wasn't in there. Like the seed does. The seed flavor is different to the other flavor, but yeah. It's not like soap either. Have you eaten soap? It's just whatever. I always love it when you search something like, what does Gorple mean? And the search is like, Gorple is kind of like Cafizzle. That sounds like a you problem. It doesn't taste like soap to you, it's just bad, like that. Yeah. While showering soapy water? How do you... Why are you drinking your soapy water, Aston? What the... You didn't drink soapy water as a kid to taste test? Do you even exist then? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you have the gene, Astatin. I'm sorry, but you have the gene. Because they said it's refreshing taste. And if it doesn't taste like anything much, that's definitely not a refreshing taste. It's not strong enough to ruin anything. Yeah. I don't think that was like... You just have a weak soap gene. It's just meh. Yeah, you just have a weak soap gene then. Question mark. Gene mo. Oh well, who knows? Who knows? Yo, for some reason, I don't like the word cilantro. Maybe I'm just biased because no one uses it here. It's probably just that. I'm probably just being biased or no, not the biases. You have a pineapple soap gene? I mean, pineapple is kind of like soap anyway. Like, I think that's like part of its flavor, no? But it's just like not the bad part of soap. You have, yeah. No Blue Sky Life post? You haven't automated that? No, well, one, I should be posting on Blue Sky in general, but I will not. At least the plan is to not post when I'm live, but if I do post when I'm live, it will be like, no, I what's it called? My idea, which I fail to execute all of the time, is I should post what I've been working on Blue Sky, Twitter and stuff, and have it linked to my Twitch or socials or whatever, and that's it. There's no like I'm live posts unless it's a special event, and that way well, at very least for me, I feel like my posts become more valuable if I do that. But I haven't executed it, so maybe I'm talking out my ass and I don't have any data to back it up. I feel like Blue Sky is deteriorating. Probably. I've never used it before, essentially. What's the not bad flavor of soap? Hello, Links. The crust of a pretzel? Yo. Based vanilla hand soap? You might eat that. There is some soaps that both look and smell eatable. It is true. But usually when you taste them, then they're not eatable. Oh, that's too many wood platforms, or no. Too many. So let's go 6. Oh, look at that, a nice number right there. Holy Trinity, indeed, indeed. Oh no, poor Astatin. Pretzels are cooked in lye, which is also used in. Are they? Yo, I don't know if I've had a real pretzel before. Lye, eh? What is a lye? A lye. Hydroxide. Either sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Oh, I know this shit. Okay. Coriander's flavor of soap. It is true. Yup. Somehow you're working out this hour. Have a good cilantro-free stream. Have a good work. I hope it's self-work and not like you're not like doing work hours out of your hours and not getting paid for it. But good luck. Have a nice luck. They are for about 1 minute. Ooh. Wait, why did they do that? What does it do to the? Does it make it crispy on the outside? Is that the idea? Gives it the lye taste? Okay, I'll have to learn that. Sodium hydroxide, true, yes, that is correct. Isn't that drain cleaner? The soapy taste is desired. Hello, joke. Joke? Hello. JM? Wait, pretzels have a soap flavor to them? That is intriguing. Bagels use lye? Oh, I've had a bagel. That is true. Okay, so I need to be able to click on this unit here and then have these tiles highlight. How do I do that? How do I do that? I think we give this like a new title called like the sacrifice. Sacrifice. Oh man. It's just a sack tile. Sacrifice? Is that how you spell sacrifice? I have no idea actually. Sacrifice. Sacrifice? It is an I. You know, how am I gonna learn English? I mean, how am I gonna learn German? I don't even know English. Oh no. Derive component obstruct. Oh, this doesn't belong here. Sacrifice file. Oh, maybe it does. I'll leave it here for now. Okay, so you wouldn't actually call it soap flavor, but it does have the lime flavor, which is also present in soap besides others. It is true. Okay, so when a character is selected, character selected, where do we do this? Cell selected. Is it this? Cell selected? Once I figure out compound words and stuff, it gets fun in German. Like the Mitzel. I forgot that. I forgot the other half. Oh no. Mittel Tisch? The Mittel Tisch. I don't know if that's a compound word. I think it is. Lorgenbretzel? Oh, there's no T in there. Lorgenbrezel? Brezel? Lai pretzel? Oh. AU. Law. You begin to look at something can be like this looks kind of like this thing, but it's used for that, so it's probably called. I've used compound word of those two things, and you're probably correct most of the time. Nice, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I need to continue. I need to continue listening to some German podcasts so I can get used to hearing German in general. Schiffongardine? Gardine? Schiffongardine? That seems too easy for it to be pronounced like that. Gardina. Ne? Oh, ne. Gardine. Oh, Schiffongardine. Vegetable garden. I don't know what chiffon means. Chiffon? Chiffon. Gardine. Well, I'm presuming gardina is garden. Why you gesundheitigen me? Jong. Chiffon is a type of fabric. Oh, wait, then what is gardina? Uh, curtain. I was like, what kind of chemical is curtain? A fabric curtain. Wait, isn't that like? Oh, it's a type of fabric. Oh, yeah, that is cool. Chiffon gardine. Mm-mm. Gardine. Oh fuck. Ich magst. There's a compound word here, I think, because I want to say ich magst chiffon gardine, but there's something missing there. There's something missing there. It's like, I don't know. It might be the wrong order too. Like an airplane, it's used for flying, and it's the thing that's called for Flugzeug, the really fly thing, and ground based vehicle kind of Fahrzeug drive thing. Nice. Zug is stuff though, nothing. Nice. Drive stuff, fly stuff. Zug. That's pronounced wrong because EU is Zoig, Zoig, Zug, Zoig, Euler, Euler, Zoig, Flugzeug, Fahrzeug. Is it Zoink? Is EU an oink sound? Yeah, Zoink. Yeah. Okay, I made it. I made it. Yo, having Euler be uh memorable is very helpful. Oh yeah, of course. Uh, Soig, Soig, Fahrzeug, Soig, Soig, TS, Flugzeug, Fahrzeug. Yeah, true. Yeah, what about my sentence? What was it wrong? Ich magst uh Chiffongardine magst ish ish. No, ish is wrong, right? Because that's just I. No, I like cotton that is fabric. Or the certain fabric. I don't know which fabric it is, but mm, it does look like a character from Invader Zim. Yeah, I really need to watch Invader Zim. I've seen so much about it, but I've never seen it. I've never seen it animated. I feel like it's something I should be educated on. Educate myself. Learner Invader Zim. I don't know if learner is right. Probably not. I should, yeah, I should. Maybe I should play it while I'm at work. I'll just have it in the background. Yeah, what is it? Is it on a streaming platform? It's probably on YouTube. It's probably old enough for that. Oh, did you see Halo is on Netflix now? Like what the? It finally left Paramount Plus. Hello, teens. Hi. Watching German for extra confusion? Hell yeah. I should. Heck. Alright, I was trying to work out why tiles don't highlight when I select a character. Is that part of tile? Like, is tiles highlighting based on something? What is this? Slack salon. So if we click a primary and it is monster turn, then do nothing. Oh, are we hitting this? We might be hitting this. If I go here and go resource states, and then instead of combat turn, we go game stage. And here we go game stage. We go match game stage.get. And if the game stage is combat, we do this. Otherwise, we just do... No, we do that as well. Additionally. Uh-oh, I messed up my brackets. No. What the brackets? How are the brackets still broken? This doesn't make sense. You what? I did get it right. Nice. Some pepper of what's. Have a good time. A friend of yours likes to set their phone's language to the language they're trying to learn. I did that for a while. Same with my computer. But what happened is I am too used to knowing what things are, and so I don't actually look at the words, and then I just like use my memory of what the buttons should be, and then I don't actually like learn the language. But maybe I was too early on in German learning to be able to like use it properly. Maybe I still am. I had I did understand that, yeah. Mm. Your phone is set to English ever since you figured that Googling for certain settings and options is much easier in English. That's yep. You've been using your OS as an exact same in English for the exact same reason. Really. That's I mean, I guess it makes sense. Like programming's all English based, and so of course when it comes to the setting, it's like English is going to be what do they call it? First citizen, first class. Oh, it's ad time. It's ad time. First class citizen, maybe. Yeah, I might BRB. No, someone's shaking me to learn more German. First class citizen, yes. Ads, yeah. Salad always comes when the ads are active. It's like 3 out of 3 now. 3 out of 3. I'm going to BRB. I'm gonna BRB. Just some ads. Just some ads. BRB. Hello. Uh, Any ad for Domino's protein shake? Slap the gains. Yo, Domino's does this protein shake, right? Oh, what the? Who's going to Domino's for their protein? You're considering switching to Russian to improve your understanding of the language, but when using Linux, you're scared you're going to be lost since it's not easy to find documentation. True. I don't remember what we did to change the game. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, we were trying to see something about selecting and having it highlight, but it didn't do anything, so rip. Thank you for ordering me salad. Oh. Yo, thanks for sending me to the EU. Let's go. Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there soon enough. And I can pog. Oh man, it's gonna be so cold though. I've never been. Yeah. Okay, so this was not the problem. This was not the problem. So your cell selected gets called. So I guess if we go G Shift A, what's this character? We don't care about the character. Actually, yeah, we want to. This is writing cell selected. We don't care about writing cell selected. This one is in characters RS. Cell select. Does this actually select our characters? It does. This is where we select our characters, no? Move character this turn if in combat has the move tag. Can move or the stage is not combat. That's fine, right? Best way to learn is talk. Yeah, that is true. Because like, I guess the thing I run into, which reinforces that, is like, I'll go to create a sentence and then I'll go, oh shit, I don't know these 3 words. And if you're trying to do sentences in a conversation, you will start like running into them often. Imagine if I was muted this whole time. Holy, that'd be pretty cringe. So what is do we in this stage thing check for turn end? Gift movement 2. Yeah, I don't know where we do this in the game. I don't know where the logic for character being selected is. It's right here. Okay. Okay, so this one should be game stage gotcha as well. Save. I should probably comment more in my code for easy searching. That's true. You're not wrong about that one. Characters like yo, it's my sucker. Yo, hello, hi, hello, my sucker viewers. My sucker lost power. Oh no, not the power. Not the power. Based on game stage. Hello, Polyglitch. Hi. Oh, and Roulette. Hello. Hi. 2 owl tabs? You always have 2 owl tabs. You're very dead. Oh no. Oh no, not the internet. You got like 5 minutes? Oh, I hope it comes back in full force soon enough. That's a rip. Thank you for the raid though. Yeah, that is unfortunate. Yeah, have a good whatever you're gonna get up to with that internet. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Hello everyone. I'm Owlkaline. I'm currently making a game and yeah, that's what we're doing today, as well as learning German. I'm learning German and like I'm pretty bad at it. But yeah. What am I trying to do? Oh, the thing. I didn't check. Okay. So we can move these anywhere, but we can't move them here. So I think what we do, so this, okay. I think we just move this into its own thing. Like, yeah, okay. If we just move it into its own thing, it should be chill. Okay, so spawn placement tiles, move pattern, append inventory tiles. Wait, how does this work? Highlight type is move, pattern details, pattern global, move pattern. Spawn placement tiles, inventory tiles. Oh, I see. So we're getting all the tiles that are spawn a place, like where you can place them on the field, and all the inventory tiles, and we've put them together. Okay, so in this one, we need another query actually then, because here it will be the sacrifice tiles query of a cell. Hello, and symbol. Where are you? I forgot where the and symbol is. Found it. Settings zoo. Sacrifice tile. It might be. But I don't think. I'm pretty sure. I don't think. Maybe. So this is. Oh my god! I'm still in the terminal. We do still need the inventory tiles, but we also need this. So this will be placement pattern, which would make this also placement pattern. And then we'll trigger all of this. This is the thing. Isn't it usually called settings in Japanese anyway, if it's katakana, because it would be borrowing the English word, and thus I don't know. I did have my settings set to Japanese a long time ago. So I don't really remember. Pattern details, location, this thing. I like type move. Usually there, yeah. It's okay, that's funny. Yeah, we're not going to go into the racism talk. No, it's setai. Oh, setai. Oh my god. My golly. My golly. Oh my golly. I need to stop. I've been slowly phasing out. Oh, God, but it's been difficult. It's been difficult. Seta. Seti. You mean seti, right? Because it's se with the double T into the E, seti. Then I seti. Sete. Sete. It's not an EH though, is it? Setai. Owlkaline? Owlkaline. Yeah, you understand. Setai. Seta E. Seta E. Seta E. Seta E. Setai. I is pronounced I is pronounced E. Seti. Seta. Seta. Yo, it's really hot in my room. Okay, so this worked other than these tiles don't highlight. Oh, I didn't give them, wait, no, I did give them sacrifice, right? It's under gacha. Spawn gacha box, no. Oh yeah, I did give it a sacrifice tile. Oh, this should be sacrifice tiles. There we go. Okay, that should fix it. That's just a long air. Air. The same way as O is just oh. Ooh. Mm. Except if it's a verb. Like a doing word. Yo. So in school, I never really understood what were verbs and what were adjectives until a teacher told me verbs are doing words and adjectives are describing words. And so I always have to translate back into that to understand what it is, because I don't remember what a verb is.
Japanese letter.
See, now my TTS is racist. It won't even attempt to say the Japanese. My God. It doesn't do that for. Oh, it does it for Chinese too, actually. I was going to say it doesn't do it for any other language, but it does for Chinese. Mm. The history is telling you it is about Japanese and all apps. Well, we're talking about learning languages in general. In Japanese, verbs end in u, and agnic adjectives in I or na. Nah. Nah, brah. Yeah, brah. Nah, brah. Nah, brah. Okay, this should not be a walk thing. This should be a instant translate thing. How do I do that? Oh, it's highlight type. No, that is correct. How do we make them move? Uh, oh, no, that's fine. Height pattern. Okay, so it'll be when we click a tile, when we select a tile, um, and it's already highlighted. Cell attacked. Cell attacked, highlighted, add slide entity, reset offset. Is it part of highlight? Move highlighted added. No, it's not part of highlight. Behavior. Is it a behavior? No, this is enemy behavior. This is not the actual movement system. Maybe it's part of animation. Honestly, it's probably part of animation. Yeah, bro, no, bro. Yeah. What is my game about? It's about a well, like we have a little bit of a story, but it's not in the game at all. But it's like a dungeon that goes underwater, like downwards. And there's like lots of rumors about like the reward if you do get down to the bottom, but no one's actually ever achieved that. And what does that mean? And yeah, don't know. And then like wait, the game type is tactics game that's inspired that has influences from like TFT and stuff. Although there's not a lot of it there currently. Vilsha engine is it? Is that like half German, half English? What the? Yeah, it's Bevy. It is Bevy. Yeah, Nora is correct. It is the Bevy engine. Delay the Juice. Yo, I forgot I had a name called Delay the Juice. Nice. Nice. Delay the Juice. This is not it. It's not part of juicing. Oh, it's probably part of cells because it has animation. No. Yo, I've clearly stepped away from this game for oh yeah, here we are, cell animation, instant linear. This is what we want. Cell animation. Animate cell moved. Isn't delaying the juice just edging? My god, salad. What the? No, we're doing game dev. It's not edging. It's just putting the juice at the end. Doing it later instead of now. Okay, cell animation. Wait, we have cell animation, no? I was looking at it, right? Here. Oh, is it part of attack pattern? Ignore characters, patterns, team, highlight pattern details. Cell pattern. No, wait, what? How do I? So if I go G Shift A to find all the cell animations, or character cell animation. Instantly place character with animation during unit placement stage. Oh, this is what we want right here. Yeah, so if it's unit placement stage or stages.get equal game stage. Gotcha. Actually, what we'll do is we'll check if the game stage is it just going to be combat? Yeah, if it's combat, then we'll set it to the linear one, and if it's anything else, we'll set it to instant, because that's more like we don't have to update this ever again. Okay, let's try this. You know, lose your mind. There's a tiny fly zooming around your head. Oh no! Oh, actually, one of the worst things ever. Holy! Is it also making the noise? Does it taunt you? I swear, like so many flies purposely taunt you. Like they'll stop making noise until they're like right next to your ear, and then they'll like do it really loudly, and then they'll fly away from your reach, and then stop doing the noises, and then they'll just keep doing that, and then they'll also like fly at you when you're like not paying attention. Worst thing ever is this, but when you're trying to sleep. You know what? I haven't had a fly near me when I'm trying to sleep in a very long time, which is kind of surprising considering my bed is right next to my desk. And I guess I don't eat food at my desk anymore since I have it in the lounge room. I mean, it's not like the food stays there after I'm done eating it either, so. Thankfully not making noise. Still annoying though. Or mosquitoes. Mosquito next ear is definitely hell. Do mosquitoes make noises? Do mosquitoes make noises? They do when they come next to your ear. How about better question? Are mosquitoes different in Australia compared to Europe? Australian mosquito numbers are booming. Mosquitoes and disease in Australia. What does the future hold? Mosquito maps. Yo, what the? You have a whole map for mosquitoes? Oh, native and invasive. Oh shit. There's so many images I could look at. Sheesh. That's too much effort. That one's red. Mosquito. Look at them all. Holy. Your parents lived in pretty near swampy forest, so you had this every summer all your childhood. Yo, imagine referencing things by seasons. My god, what the? Like, my school was next to a swamp river thing, and so there was a lot of mosquitoes when we went out on the fields. And thankfully, I didn't live near one. And also, mosquitoes don't like me, so often I don't get a butt bitten. The only time I do get bitten by mosquitoes is if I do any like anti-mosquito spray, then I get bitten by mosquitoes. It's a fucking scam. Like the anti-mosquito stuff, like it entices them to come eat me, and I'm like, what the? This is not how it's supposed to work. It was like literally every time. Like when I was like, oh, I can't be bothered because like I never bought my own mosquito thing and using the one that the teachers gave, I was like, yeah, whatever. I'd be fine. I like not get bitten. And even the times where I did get bitten, it was like once, just like one time. So it's not even like a lot, even though there was a bunch. And then the times I did use the mosquito thing, because I'm like, yeah, I don't want to deal with it. I got bitten like fucking like 15 times or more. You get bitten 24/7 on your brother had like 2 bites in 4 weeks vacation while you looked like you had chicken pox the whole time. Oh, that's a rip. That's a rip. Yo, is it true? Eating bananas makes your blood more attractive to mosquitoes. Eat my owl. Don't eat me. No. Don't eat me. Oh. Oh. Yo, maybe. Oh, it's probably cope. It's probably almost definitely cope and not true. Maybe the mosquitoes don't like how uh how no I can't nope. Okay, I need to get 3 characters. Yeah, like that easy. Oh, I have 3 characters now. Oh, but it floats off. Oh, you need it to stay there. Sad. Yeah, do I lose my characters when I do that? I do not. Nice. Ooh, not quite enough. Bye bye. Yeah, look at that. I have 3 characters. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, I need to have another button spawn when you have 3 here, and then have it disappear when you take one away. Now I'm gonna add like I'm gonna need like UI elements and differentiations between the buttons. Oh, that's a problem. The gotcha thing stayed there. Oopie. 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 Anyways, there's a bunch to do. There's a bunch to do. Okay, so a button to appear when there's 3. Okay. How do I do that then? So we're in the gotcha section. Spawn gotcha box, add loop button. Yeah, so here we go. Add observer. Is it adding observer? Probably not, right? Actually, I'm not sure. Let's spawn the button and then hide it. So here's a button. So copy. Spawn gotcha box. So I've gotcha scene. Yeah, so here we'll just go paste. We'll go visibility hidden by default. And we'll need to put it we'll put it at, so this is not a new button, we'll go, this is sacrifice button. Sacrifice button. Where are the 3? They're at x12, 6 to 9. So this would be x of 12, 13, 14, 6 to 9, so 8 is the cell we should put it on. And then for now, let's just go inherited. And instead of spawn loot box on, it will be like sacrifice units. Observe sacrifice units? Maybe. So we fn sacrifice units. Trigger. Unpressed. So pointer on pressed. Pointer pressed. And then we'll just do stuff here. We'll just go print line. Sacrificing units. Save. What's wrong with this? Sacrifice. I'm missing an I. Potassium. Potassium. Yeah, potassium. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this works. We have too many buttons though. I wonder if the way this sacrificing thing, I wonder if it's something that the people can walk into and then they get mutated, so it's like, I don't know, some device that's inside the tower. It's like persona fusion.
The cutest statin declares, potassium.
Really? Is that what you declare? Potassium. Oh, potassium. Alkalinium. Yeah, that's cool. Alkalinium. Yo, you cooked. Penguin, you cooked. Holy. You did cook. Sheesh. Is that what viewers gain while they watch me while I stream? Alkalinium. Alkalinium. Let's go with 7. Okay, so instead of visibility inherited is visibility hidden, and we give it a tag, and this will be the sacrifice button. Save. Yeah, here we are. So we're derive component obstruct sacrifice button save.
The cute statin declares that she needs her shot of alkalinium. Also, TTS is lying, not cute.
What do you mean the TTS is lying? It's you. You're declaring things. What the? What the?
Mem.
Mem. Mem. 119th element. Let's go. All the new elements at the end of the periodic table, meaning it's incredibly unstable and radioactive. That does sound likely. Because if it was stable, surely we would have found it. Although there is stuff like aluminium where we knew about it existing, but we didn't know how to get it. We also knew it was stable, but we didn't know how to get it. Aluminium is very interesting. Oh, okay. So, when do I show this? I guess we can have a, wait, these buttons and tiles. Well, we delete all the tiles and the buttons. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, so we're adding a new system. Update, and then this would be making new elements is easy. Just smash atoms together until they combine it and for a nanosecond before exploding. That's dangerous. That sounds very dangerous. Check. Sacrifice.
The cute statin declares, do you
Really?
want to synthesize some element 204? Ooh.
Yeah, let's do it. Check sacrifice requirements. And this would be
Psychic Celebs UI declares well.
in state, game stage, gotcha. FN check sacrifice requirements. You do not? Do you declare as well? Why would you declare? You're just a salad. You're just a salad. Just a little sauerkraut.
Happy McGravel says I declare, therefore the linker shall know of my function prototype compiler.
Damn, it really spit through that. Yo, I noticed something, and maybe I'm unleashing something that is unholy. But there is tags for this. You can put
Train
in
spotter says you
tags.
do, Claire.
Speech note, yes, no. There is a tags thing for the TTS that you can inform how it goes about speaking. Let me see if I can find it. Maybe it's under like the patch notes, like here. No, is it under like issues and then we go this thing? Mm, mm, no. It's like you can do like uh do Claire. What is it? It's like you in brackets you can do it's like part of the hang on. Maybe I found it in the settings. So if I go settings, uh accessibility, advanced. Am I installing language packs? No. Oh, yeah, here we are, text to speech. Yeah, you can use squiggly brackets speed and squiggly brackets silence and presumably other ones for the speed and silence to dynamically change the speed of synthesized text or add silence between sentences. Control tags. Control tags. So you can speed up or slow down the TTS if you wish for certain sections.
Cabbage McGravel says so like. This
Yeah. Yeah, exactly like that. You get it. That was so fast. Yo, the TTS didn't work at all. Oh, Asterton didn't redeem it, but yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah, I don't know if it has to be a float or not, but like exactly like that Asterton. Yeah.
the cute Statin declares. Does it work?
Does it work?
Cabbage
Nice.
McGravel says. Then shh.
Oh, a slightly slower fimsh. We need all the characters that are on the fields. Query, I need to query their cell with character with
Links XDG says. Beep beep. Dogger says. Emblem.
emblem. Emblem. Nice.
Cabbage McGravel says. Ma'am.
Let's go.
Apinora says ho. Lee.
You're nice. Holy.
The cute Statin declares.
Whoa.
Links XDG says. How slow can it go?
That's slow apparently. Yeah, I can tell you. So at least in the UI, the slowest it can go is 0.1, so 10%. Then we need sacrifice tiles, query, cell with sacrifice tile, save.
Cabbage McGravel says. Wee.
But yeah, we have you can specify
The cute Statin declares.
You can specify time. So there's milliseconds. Hang on, let me reopen it. Text to speech. So, oops, I closed it by mistake. There's milliseconds, seconds, and minutes. For the silence, and then yeah, speed is 0.1 to
Papillora
2.0.
Ha!
Huh. So 0.1 to 2.0 is the limits of the speed. There's no year. No. Good job though. It's not. You didn't redeem it either, so that's fine. It wouldn't have worked, unfortunately. Imagine if it did though.
Cabbage McGravel says. Wee!
Nice. Me. Okay, so I need to go over the sacrifice tiles. Sacrifice tiles dot any header dot all. So if all of these return true,
The cute statin declares. Never mind, she doesn't declare anything.
Yo, nice. I wasn't expecting that. That's a good one.
Says, F members.
That's a good one, Asterton. You got me with that. You got me. Thank you for the slow fimsh. Characters dot getter dot collect vector cell. Do I need to do like dot map and then we go like C and then dereference C? Yeah, I do. Okay, all. So we have this
XDG says
sacrifice cell. What the?
Cabbage McGravel says.
It's just like a tenth of a syllable. Sheesh. So we go all characters contains SC. If that's true, yeah, so if all of those are true, we go can I just use this in the if statement? Because we're not going to, we go let can sacrifice is equal to this. And here we go if can sacrifice do the sacrifice save.
Links XDG says. Beep.
You can do multiple speed tags, by the way. Multiple. What the? the beep, beep, beep. So we need to find the. So actually, yeah. So here we'll just go for cell in characters.
Cabbage McGravel says F.
F.
F shy.
What? What the? Entity cell. All characters. That. This is characters. Nice. Entity and cell. Okay, here. So we go if all characters let all sacrifice tiles is equal to sacrifice tiles dot collect vector of cell. See? Oh, we also have to do the dereferencing thing. Can I use this here? We go all sacrifice tiles, iter all.
LynxXDG says, I am the Lorax. I speak for the trees.
You speak for the trees.
And for some reason, they speak Vietnamese.
Oh my god. What ID is this? This is the Z ID. The Z editor. Welcome in. Okay, so if this entity is here, we want to despawn the character, so we go commands dot entity dot despawn. I think this is how we get rid of a character. So here we go, not commands save. Yo, that's a coincidence unless
LynxXDG says,
you came to Twitch to ask that. I'm sorry if you came to Twitch to ask that. I'm a bit slander YouTube because I haven't got it integrated in my overlay yet. Although now that I have the server thing set up, I should be able to do it pretty easily.
Says, crumble in a Viet fashion. Crumble. Crumble.
That was pretty good. But yeah, if if a TTS happens after one you put in, yours is lost. It's lost to the abyss. Just so you know. Yeah, I need to. It will fix itself in the future, but I need to do a patch. I need to contribute to open source because if we have a look at this, speech notes, GitHub. This is the program I use, right? This DS Note thing, and it has if we have a look at it, this is it here. It has a file export to file thing, and if I can export to file, I can play it with Bevy, and then I can have it run until it's for its full duration that it should run for before I play the next one. But I can't do that currently because despite them having export to file, it's not a command line. It's not a command line thing that I can call, so you have to do it through the GUI thing, and it's on their to-do list. This was 3 weeks ago, and so if I want it sooner than however long they're gonna take to do it, I'm gonna have to do it because I can't at the moment. Well, I could. No multi-threaded TTS. The TTS is multi-threaded, but it's the problem is it's not in my overlay. The problem is I have to use the audio directly on here, and so I can only play one thing at a time here, and it can only have one set of text here, and I can't export to file because I have to do that via the GUI, and so yeah. You just sponsor Python thread per TTS message. The script takes care of making. Yeah, but I only have one of these programs open at a time. And so if I want to continue using this, I can't until I get the thing. Get the command line of making a file, and then I can get Bevy to use it all.
Really? Potential side effects include diabetes, heart attack, and cuteness overdose. Do not associate this medication with anything containing cuteness. In case of heart palpitation, contact your doctor. Patient 12 or 50.
Nice one, Aston. That's literally what they are. That's literally what they do in the ads. Oh my god. Yo, you're funny. Yo, Astison's pretty funny. Who agrees? Who would agree? Hello, Star Ruby System. Welcome. Oh yeah, so this should just despawn all the entities. Oh, and then we also need
Cabbage
to
McGravel says,
go
could you repeat that?
commands.trigger add coins. We'll just add a new coin here. So it should delete all 3 enemy entities and add a new coin. Ahoy, ahoy. You saw a hand-drawn fimsh? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I can't wait to rewrite my overlay. But I think at this point, redoing my overlay, this might be a thing I do when I get to Europe. Yo, what the? Fortunately, this TGS program doesn't break down as much when slowed down a lot. At least this model doesn't. Like one of my German ones. One of my German ones, it just sounds like what's it called? Breathing when you do like a bunch of H's. And it's slow. But yeah, like I had an option. There's an option in here for like quality speed up and versus not quality speed up. Yeah, here. Use engine speed control where the speed manipulation takes place well, when it's disabled, it takes place as a post-processing effect rather than during the natural speech thing, which is pretty cool.
Myriad mine says, but
What the? What the? Thank you for the name. Yo, it's ad break time. What the? What the? Okay, BRB. BRB! Oh, this is not a BRB screen. BRB.
Cabbage McGravel says, Speed:0. Myriad mine says, fimsh. Cabbage McGravel says speed 2.0 meme. Mem. Eeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeee
Holy.
Myriad Mind says. Pass. Sentence.
Really?
Foster. And Foster.
How about? Yeah, the fimshes. What the? Oh yeah, yeah, we bought everything nice. Let's complete some levels.
Lynx XDG says, what do you call a beehive without an exit?
What do you call a beehive without an exit? Huh?
Unbelievable.
Oh no! That is unbelievable. Oh no. When will we?
Psychic Salad says speed, -2 Testma imports.
When will it get added? Probably with the new overlay. So it might be a while. Oh, actually, it could be. It should be easy though. I was pretty sure I made it easy. Maybe not. Oh no, my wizard's dead. Oh no, I lost. Fuck.
Myriad Mind says. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
What the? Vroom vroom?
Cabbage McGravel says happy hallow. Ning. Sorry, what's the kind?
What the? Oh no, it got stopped. Yeah, it did get stopped. That's correct. Yeah, I really need this export feature. I really need it. Oh yeah, I have. Oh shit, I won't have 3 units because this one fucks off. Okay, let's go. Let's go next. Hopefully. Oh wait, this is perfect to have a slime. Nice. Because here you slime the paladin. You do that. You do this, and then you move that up one. Nice. Yes, and then you move that one up. Uh-oh. Oh no, never mind. We got it. We got it easy. Okay, we definitely have 3 units now. What did you do? What do you mean it's holding on to dear life? Last time you had a dream that someone had a crush on back in middle/high school showed up in your... Whoa. That's kind of wild. So we have 2 coins, and so I summoned 2 things here, but if I put 1, 2, 3, oh, they got deleted and I got a coin. Oh, I forgot to connect the button to it. Okay. So what we do... Oh yeah, so this part can sacrifice. This should show the button. This part that like does the sacrifice. This is something
Jockhead
else.
says hello there. Did you set A?
Did I set A? A what? A what? A? Oh no. It's okay, like it will go to the next one once my overlay. Oh, Asterton, your 7 minute silence. Asterton's 7 minute silence is it's making it think about nothing for 7. What did what did you do to it? Will it return? Because like it's generating 7 minutes of silence and it's like dying. Well, I'll leave it like that and we'll see if it comes back. It probably will. It just might take a while. What the? We'll wait. Yeah, but having threaded TTS like this with these silences, I think this is a pog idea. I will have it happen. Hello, Sleepy. Mostly lurking. Hope I'm feeling better. Thank you. I have kind of a sore throat today, so I'm kind of like been a lot better and a bit sick today. But thank you. I hope you've been well. Astatin boiled the TTS. They did boil the TTS. Like, do we think it's gonna finish? I want to know if it finishes. I also don't know how to combat this. I mean, I guess I could combat it by finding the squiggly brackets with silence and a colon, and then if it does, or not allow, like, disable the minutes, just disable, like, anything that has the M in there, just delete it. Usual chaos at work, yeah, fair. Yeah, my work is people are like, yeah, we're probably about to hit chaos because we're meant to like release a product like next week or something stupid. We'll see. Show H top? Sure. I'll just leak all my processes. That's okay. Boop. DS note, there it is. There it is. Number 3. You go, fingers crossed it goes well. Yeah, I don't really care, but hopefully it's not annoying. You're taking TTS privileges away? Silent 7 minutes. Show no top? What the? Salad. What are you talking about? Did you just see me miss the X button on that so many times? Yo, I don't think it's ever gonna complete. Okay, well, it completes. Let's see what happens first. Will I complete the sacrifice mechanic before TTS comes back? You saw IP address 127001. How did you know? Oh no! Fuck, I'm gonna get hacked. Oh no. I'm never gonna be able to use a computer again. Everyone will know my IP address and then they can hack me and steal all my secrets. Oh fuck. My IP is always 127001. I'm gonna have to get a new fun little yeah, okay, so this we need to get this from the update. Do the sacrifice. We need this. Well, yeah, we need this, I think. Do we need commands? We need commands. Do we need characters? Yes. We need all sacrifice. We just need that. Get rid of this. What's wrong with the bracket situation? Nothing's wrong with the bracket situation. We need to make the tile visible. DDoSing 127001. Oh my god. You got a DDoS 127. Good luck. Good luck.
The cute statin declares, start boiling your eggs.
It worked. It worked. It finished. It finished. It did the 7 minutes. Have you know is currently reading silence for 7 minutes, but it's going to be overwritten by this myriad one in a second, presumably. Presumably. It takes 7 minutes to generate 7 minutes of silence. It might not get overwritten because it was hanging during Myriad's message. It's possible it didn't get overwritten. It's true. We might have the finishing 7 minutes as long as no one else redeems TTS. It is possible. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. We need to make the button visible, so we go sacrifice button, query, and mark visibility with the sacrifice button. We go for visibility in sacrifice button. Else. So here we go. Can sacrifice visibility is equal to visibility inherited. And then this one is hidden. Sacrifice button is not readable. Are you colored? What do you mean, are you colored? Why are some people's chat messages not colored? What do you mean? Everyone's got a color. Using Aries uses Twitch settings. Bix had that issue. It's like Insana's text is white. It's not white, no. Like this not a mod is white, but the color mar is not quite white. It's just like it takes your username color and it rotates the hue by 90. And so Salad's color just happens to go near white, but it's like a gray. It's like a gray. Yeah, we whitewashed Salad. It is true. Salad got whitewashed. If can sacrifice and visibility equals visibility hidden. Else if visibility is equal to visibility inherited. Here we go. Nice. Save. Wait, do they have a toggle thing? Yeah, toggle inherited and hidden. Oh yeah, there you go. They have a toggle, so if can sacrifice and visibility is equal to visibility hidden, or, so all of this is an or can't sacrifice, and visibility is equal to visibility inherited. And we just toggle up next. Sky Grey, hello. That's not how Hue works, question mark? You think? I can show you the code. I can show you the code that I use for it. I hope you've been well, Sky Grey. What have you been up to? Have you made any more pod games, or are you working? Did you say you're gonna try to bring that game you came like 8th in the game jam, or like what you been up to? I'm interested. I'm keen. I'm keen to see you progress in whatever you do. I don't have a lot of time these days, sadly, so I don't get to catch many people's streams. You got too busy with work, or your work is taking over your life. I let that happen to me last week. Well, yeah, I guess so. Next game jam is June 15th. We're so back. If you shift psychic color plus 90, you should get that. What about minus 90? Yeah, I'll show you the color shenanigans we do. I have my Fimshathon in June.
You can stop, get the eggs out. They are nice and soft-boiled.
Yo, it worked. We had a 7-minute timer. We got a 7-minute soft boil timer. Although I think after 7 minutes it's gonna be hard boiled. That's a long time. Something.
Cabbage McGravel says.
Really? Oh no, my Fimsh. I've forgotten.
Myriad mine says to infinifimsh and beyond.
Hello, Cindy. Oh, right. My Fimshathon is in June. Oh no, not Japanese character. So many Japanese letters. What the? Something. Right, yeah, June, Fimshathon. I'm doing a birthday / Fimshathon stream in June. I need to pick a weekend, but when I do, my god, it should be good. Hopefully. I guess we can go with skeleton. I like that wizard thing. And then I guess we can go with another one of these too. Although I might put it. Yeah. What the? Are you doing the silence thing again? Oh my god. Discord has integrated more AI garbage into it. What did it do? I cancelled your 1 minute of silence. I'm sorry, Nora. Oh yeah, nice. Hopefully at the end of this I will have 3 characters to do the sacrifice thing. Oh no! My wizard thing is gone. Oh, that's unfortunate. They partnered with Domo AI with some kind of image style transformation thing. I
Links
see.
XDG says, Ay! 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 Bixiat says,
Really? Okay, we won. It was a long battle, but we won. Wait, we have 3 units, thank God. And we have 4
Links
coins.
XDG says,
2 units? 3 units. Emblem. Yeah, max speed is 2. But yeah, 3 units and the button appeared. If I remove one, yeah, like button goes away. Oh, it
Cabbage
works.
McGravel says, Crumbly?
Sacrifice. Oh, I got rid of all of them and I have 1 coin.
The cutest that and declares, Bix is back. We should. Behave.
Thank you for naming. Thank you very much. Okay, the sacrifice thing, it works. It works. We made progress. Progress has been made. Get status. I guess we just add source. We just add source to it. Hit commit. Sacrifice works. Oh, look at that. 515 insertions. Really? It's too fast. 2.0 is too fast. It's barely a sound.
Big Seft says Nin Cannon.
True.
Links XDG says we. So.
You saw? What did you saw? The Nin Cannon though, yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Holy.
Myriad Mine says. Button.
Button? What the? What the button? Oh wait, the hue shift, yo. If we have a look at the hue shift, how does that work?
Psychic Seller says.
What the? What the? It technically is an English pronunciation bug, that's true.
Cabbage McGravel says. Huey.
Someone's having a stroke, they are. They are. I don't know where this color stuff is. I don't remember where I manage all of it.
Christopher 1955 says.
Really? Oh, here we are. So, is this it? Print fragments. Not quite. Username. We get the colors username, right? So
Myriad mine says.
yeah, we do. We adjust the hue by 90 and then set the lightness to 80. Well, I told you. Look, I told you. Look, we get username color, which is either this color that we defined if they haven't set a color, otherwise it gets their color. And then we adjust the hue by 90 and then we set the lightness to 80. So it's not quite just 90, but it is.
Says.
Yeah.
Woof woof woof. Bop 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 bop. Woof. Bop bop. Woof woof.
Woof woof. We got a dog in the house. It's real rough. What do you mean it doesn't work? It clearly works. Like, we have other colors that are different to the username by rotating the hue by 90 and set lightness. Maybe it just uses a different algorithm for adjusting the hue. It isn't.
Right TV says. No.
What the?
Ning sus con twos ning.
All the names. Oh. It needs.
Big Siaf says that's rough. Ruff.
Let's go. Silence minus 2 seconds. You're trying to break it, Astatin. What am I sucker band? You are seashielded with a memory leak? Oh,
1955
no.
says. Meow 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 meow.
Meow. It's still not supposed to be white. Well, it is. So I guess we just kind of deal with it.
Psychic Salad says guess who's back? Silence 0.1 back against Silence 0.1 Dogboy Bix is back. Silence 0.1
You fucked up,
Sky
Salad.
TV says let's go gambling.
No. That kind of worked. It kind of worked. White needs a lower saturation. Oh. Uh-oh, not this again. We've already been through this. Where have you been that? Speed max caps at 2. Speed caps at 2. It doesn't get any faster. There is no faster pasta. Oh, that looked cool.
Skygroy TV says.
Oh shit, it made my computer lag. Sheesh.
Japanese letter.
It's so slow.
Japanese letter.
Oh, no.
Japanese letter.
Japanese letter. What the? Japanese letter.
Cabbage McGravel says. Fidget.
Fimsh applied directly to the forehead.
Stand-up assistant says fimsh. Apply directly to the forehead.
Oh, you did
Myriad
the
mine
TTS.
says. We would like to talk to you about your car's extended warranty.
Oh yeah, the car that I don't have. Yeah, we should talk about that car that I don't have. I do need my extended warranty for my imaginary car. It is true. It is true.
Bixiat says, here's a Muriathan David, the in movie menu.
Yeah, see, my TDS is kind of racist against Japanese and Chinese, but not Korean.
Lynx XDG says, PRT, PRT.
What the? What the? Amazing. It is amazing.
Myriad Mine says, Japanese letter. Look, look, look. Hello.
Oh no.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, so I think I'm done with the game for now. We made good progress for today. So we can either do some German learning, probably, like why not? Or I can work on the new overlay stuff. Or I don't really know which one I want to do more. I mean, I guess we can do a little bit of both. Oh. You're tearing with hatred, Stack Overflow? I mean, Stack Overflow is whatever, it doesn't matter.
XDG says, Ja, SOB IUS, JUTSO ETA OV AT Jurikau ST the Ashige a Pitazove o Energen Ikavich ONOO. Bixiat says, hello.
What
Is it me you're looking for?
Oh, it is. How did you know? What the? Magical. Oh no, it broke. Wait, why did it break? Is this problem?
Myriad mine says I'm blue. Dida.
It's so fast. Holy. Whoa, look at that big number. Look at it. You're looking for a dummy necromancer cat to adopt. Wait now. Wait now. Oh. Also, hello. Hello. Okay, so what's the plausibility? Haven't I seen? I have. Yeah, I just was not
Bixiat says, Myriad.
yeah, so I was there for the reveal.
Myriad mine says,
It's very cool.
The cute Owlkaline BT declares.
What the?
Oh
Oh no, that's right. Oh no. Yeah, the necromancer thing. Yeah, my brain is not on anymore. Oh, what's the plausibility of making a chat overlay in here? I mean, I could try. Yeah, I haven't tried before. Handle ad break. What the? Handle Twitch. Message. Twitch event. Chat message. Oh, this is Bevy. Oh, I can do all sorts of things with Bevy. Yo, kill computers. Thank you for the follow. You see the very short fireworks we had? It's ridiculously short. Okay, let me whip something
Big Seth
together.
says, ah-ha-ha.
Really? Ah, to you too. It's true. Your mentality is panicking with segmentation fault. Yo, I've gotten a segmentation fault in Rust. It's
Lynx
pretty
XDG
fun.
says, do you know?
Do I know?
Bingus?
Bingus? I don't know Bingus, I'm sorry. Commands.spawn node background. Do we have background colors?
Myriad Mine says, whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa. Pixels?
Psychic Seller says, you are into whoa, then
Really? I didn't know that. Yo, chat's getting away from me today. I don't even know what's going on. What width? How do we size the chat? Should we just do 100 by 100 for now? Let's do 100 by 100 for now. Background color. Let's make it a knowable color.
Big Seth says, he hi, ha ha, he hi.
What the? Yeah, that was kind of creepy. What the? Wait, why was it so slow? It sounded slow. This would be chat box. Let's add a component. Derive component abstract chat box.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no! What? Halloween background noise generator true.
Lynx XDG says, help. Chat. Disassociating. That's all I'm on. Myriad Mine says, commence throat cleaning.
What the? What the? How does this work? Oh, we don't have. This won't show up, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I didn't make it a draggable interface either. Let my width equals 100. So this will be chat box width. Let my chat box height is also 100. Height. Oops. Chat box width. Chat box height. This will be 1 over chat box width, I believe. Yo, brain replacement therapy. Hello? Hi. Hello, BRT. Welcome in.
Cabbage McGravel says, crumble, ma? Yes! Time for some lovely fun. W Scheisse.
Oh no! It got cut off. It got cut off. Oh no.
Big Seth says, wee.
Leaving.
Wee.
Crumblant.
Finch. Top. Finch.
Oh. Is fimsh a top level domain? Not the last time I checked.
Phew wow.
Fimsh shell? Yo, what should I put at fimsh.owlkaline? That should be something for sure. I don't know what though. Yeah, why can I not drag this? Oh. Wait, maybe this one has to be text 2D. No, maybe this just has to be transform from scale vector to new chat box width, chat box height, and then its inids would be a node, maybe extend 0.
The cutest statin declares you should put a finch that says, "Oh no!" Big Siat says,
What
"Do you want
the?
the truth about the Illuminati?"
Oh, yo. I didn't know the truth of the Illuminati, but now we all do. And we all understood it perfectly, and we know the consequences of it. Does Fimsh have repo? Like my overlay? Yeah, I should put the sound thing into here as well. You're following the cyber psychopath?
Myriad mine says this.
This.
Spot finch.
Spot Fimsh. What does that mean? GitHub. My overlay is on GitHub, but it's not public currently. I probably should. I am decommissioning it. It is a mess. The one I'm working on currently is also on GitHub, but it's not open source at the moment. Not for any particular reason though. How do I do like node? Node UI? Node 2D.
Big Siap says my cat is sad that the fly he hunted flew out the window. Meow. Meow.
What? Oh my.
This is finch.
Fimsh. Oh, you know what we're missing? We're missing a mesh. That's why this didn't work. Oh, okay. So we need a rectangle mesh.
Myriad mine says the fire truck goes. Wee wee.
Does it? Does it go? We what? Oh, we don't want triangle. We want like quad. rectangle.
Your Kipper says when my cat sees a bird, he goes.
Sides.
Kiki 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 kiki.
Kiki. What the? What the? From translation, let's just go 50-50.
Bixie says the sprinkler goes.
It does. Yeah, I haven't seen a sprinkler in years. That is an interesting realization.
Meow.
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 Meow 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 meow.
Meow.
Cabbage McGravel says. Fancy.
Fimshing. Fimshing. I hope this works.
Bixie says meow meow.
Meow meow.
Myru, myru, myru. Myru.
Meow. Meow meow. Usually you go for lambda inks, but Twitch doesn't allow for fancy usernames. Yeah, that's true. That's fair. Well, it didn't work. Nice. Do I have to get a mesh that is a color of the white? White.
Mariadman says, did you get it, or do I need to go? Slower.
Did I get what? Man, my brain is not on right now. I'm glad chat is entertaining themselves. Lambda. Lambdinks. Lambdinks. Nah, I'm just gonna call you Lambdinks now. You're welcome. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Using a little lambda symbol as a symbol. But it does remind me of Half-Life. It does remind me of Half-Life. Number 3. It's definitely getting released.
Bixiat says, Lambda D snaps.
Yeah.
Jokipper says Lambdinks.
Lambda these nuts all over the screen. Oh my god. You're actually Half-Life 3? That's why there's no game? Or they just made a full LLM? Are you an LLM? Or are you something more than just a language model? Sentience. They made a whole sentience as for Half-Life 3. Does that mean you're like H lambda inks 3? Large lambda model? Oh, that's true, it is.
Myriadmine says large language dummy.
As an AI model, I can't respond to that prompt. Oh no, we broke Half-Life 3. Half-Life 3 is broken. Oh no. No wonder why they didn't publicly release it. Oh, look at that. We can drag chat around now. And we can make it bigger. Okay. Well, this is not really chat yet, but that's fine. So if we go node, and then we go display,
Cabbage McGravel says, doobie-doo-the-doobie-doo, blop-ma.
Blopma. And we go column, flex direction is flex direction column. What's wrong with node? Oh, we don't have default, I see. Then we go with children. Parent. And then we'll go
Myriad Mine
parent
says,
dot spawn. Text new. And this will be like chat. This will be just node default, I guess. And then underneath that, we'll have like the actual messages, parent dot spawn. We'll go node default again. But we go text. New messages go here, question mark. Well, actually, it would be a box, and then inside that, the messages go
Myriad
inside
Mine
that one.
says, ooh.
So let's do that. Let's do that. So this is not text. With children again. Wait, add children. What the? Well, can we? Wait. Instead of with children, if we go here and we go children like this, and then we go we pass it bundles? Yeah, we pass it bundles, so we pass it a node with chat, like so. Right? New audio cable? What do you use an audio cable for? I'm not literate. I'm not knowledgeable in the audio space, unfortunately. Okay, and then we have another node, default. But this node
Myriad Mine
has
says, error message not
children.
found.
And then we go node default, text new, chat message 1, and we'll just copy and paste this again in this chat message 2. But here, instead of node default, we'll go node display. Display is flex. The flex direction. This flex directions column, and then the align items is this center? Because this is
Myriad
left
Mine
and
says
right.
1 is 2 is 3 is 4 is 5 is 6 is 7 is 8 is 9 is 10.
Justify content, flex end, I think. Then we finish this off with default. Let's see how this goes. Save, run. Yeah, we could use cool shaders.
Myri Edmine says message incoming. Please wait.
You know, SQL is correctly expanded as surgery questioning
Thank you for
language.
waiting.
If you suffer from cyber psychotic episodes, just do brain SQL injection. That is not painful, probably. What the? What the? Was pretty funny. Interesting thought. I don't know how these will go with the visual, like this material background stuff. Oh, the background's white. No, yeah, see, chat is over here. Oh, that's not good.
Cabbage McGravel says sausage.
Sausage.
Roll.
Sausage. Background color. Background color. Black.
Sauce.
Saucy. You're gonna lose it today? You wanna go to the subway car because there's no bus because they are on strike? What the? What? That's just rude. What are they on strike for? Not having enough buses? Oh, I'm paying, yeah. That's a rough one. Oh, yo, that's brutal. That's so brutal. Oh, they should just pay the bus drivers properly. That would be. That's just reasonable. Japanese styles are on the routes, but no one is charged the fare. That is a cool little compromise. There's a lot of fimsh on screen. There can be a lot more, but yeah, it's true. It's true. There is a lot of fimsh on screen. You walk, but you don't walk 35, and then oh, that is a lot of walking. That is a lot of walking. Sheesh. That's rough. Uh, what? Is there even a solution to that? Like, oh, I'm sorry. Do you know when they're like, does the strike have an end, or is it just like they're striking until it gets resolved? Even Russ cannot hear your song. What the? Yeah, that's huge. We ask neighbors from us upstairs for a drive when they are back home. Oh yeah, that certainly would be a nice compromise. Are they made with Boyd behavior? I wish. I wished. At some point, I did try to do that. It's supposed to be a certain amount of days. Yeah. I did try to do some Boyd stuff with the Fimshes, but it didn't work out. Oh, yeah, pretty rough compromising. Holy, the food, it's important. What the? Justify content. Right, so what if we go background white, we get rid of the meshes, we get rid of draggable interface and transform since it's going to be handled by the UI anyway. What do you mean, penguin? Exia, hello. Hello, Exia. Welcome in. Alkaline synthesis is going on. What are you talking about, Penguin? What's up? Hopefully, wait, did I just, yeah, here it is. Chat.
Mariatman says, please hold. The owl is loading.
Am I loading? Wait, so if I go here, this is we give it the chat box tag. And we get rid of this because that is not a chat box. This is a chat box where the chats is as the children. And we go save, and then when we get a new message, Twitch event. Oh, here. Yeah, so we go, chat box is query of entity with chat box. I think this works. And then here we just go chat box queries. Yeah. Maybe. What are you going on, Penguin? Penguin, you should chill out with the randomness, please. I don't know if it's adding anything to the stream. And yeah. What am I trying to do? Add entities. Right, yes. So we go for chat box in chat box. And we just need to add children to it. So we go commands.entity chat box. And then we'll just add child. And this child will just be like text new. Then we go format, username, and then the message will be message dot chatter dot name followed by message dot text. Save. What's wrong with this? Oh, does this need to be a reference? Oh, no, add child is it takes in an ID. With child? Yes, with child. Do I need anything other than the text?
Bixiaf says I'm out of yarn. I need to order more yarn.
What the? Yo, I think as soon as your yarn arrives, you just need to order yarn right then and there. I mean, it's kind of rep for the bank account, but every time a new yarn arrives, you just order more. I think that's what needs to happen. I think it's the only way.
Myriadman says more yarn.
Why did it say yarn funny? No default. Yarn is TTS British, yeah. Yeah, it's English, British, Piper, Samine, Prudence, medium female, or Prudence for short. We call her Prudence.
I
Thank you for the 9. Wait, let's see if this works. I don't know what's gonna. What is gonna happen? Nyan.
Go away.
Thank you, Asterton. Yo, that's a good response. The Asterton Gamba. Oh, oh my god, it was from a. I forgot I hooked up the Asterton Gamba noise to that event. Oh my god, that's amazing. Yo, perfect. Yo, that's Giga. Oh, this is not working. There's not more chat messages here. Oh no. With chat box. Yeah. Justify align background color. Yeah, so chatbox has children, which is the node with the chats in them, the text in them. And so when we get in a chat event, yeah, so okay, we should see it print out and also print on adding child. Oh, yeah, I didn't connect it. I didn't connect it to anything. My God. I was trying to see if it worked, but it was connected to nothing. So this is the downside. I think this is the downside to the current setup. Is I think I have to unconnect this overlay in order for it to connect here. But I guess we'll see. Because like the receiving doesn't work. Mm. Because yeah, basically like the terminal chat thing is pretty cool, but I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. Trying to work out sizes and how chat messages fit and like a bunch of stuff. Really annoying. Yeah, okay, address and use. Address and use. So like it it doesn't have any messages, so having a Kofi. Yeah, okay, now it should be correct. Oh, and it's on, and now it's on the overlay too. Did I end up going with SSH tunnel? Yeah, I did. I am using the tunnel. I am tunneling in. I'm burrowing. I'm not burrowing. But like, yeah, I don't know. I don't really have an idea of what this chat overlay should look like, so we're kind of just like YOLOing it at the moment. Yeah. But so far it's survived like internet disconnects and stuff like that where before it would not survive that at all. Boom, so big. Holy triangle. Look at the almighty triangle. Mm. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, they're adding to the bottom. Uh, the tunnel did. Yeah, the tunnel survived. It survived me losing internet and coming back. What the? Oh, I'll have to work out how to load. No, Bevy should handle loading images with threading. Okay, so we'll have to have a max size and get it to wrap and a bunch of things, really. You never looked? Yeah, I don't know if it was a reconnect thing or if it was a maybe hang on. It might say in the history. Uh I don't know if I've restarted this one or not. No. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I was just like not disconnected long enough so it stayed up or what happened. Ghosty fell off the bed while hunting the fly. Now he's humiliated and pouting. Oh my god. Oh, Ghosty. The shenanigans. The shenanigans. Max width value. Pixels. Chat box width. Save. And also width. Min width is also pixel chat box width. I think the same with height as well, so we'll just paste these in here. Max height, max yeah, min width, min height. Both of these will be height related instead of width related. Height. Height. Okay, so that'll stop it from like doing this. The height will go for like, I don't know, 500 for now. Let's do this. Let's run it again. Overflow clip, I think is what we want. It loading. Come on, load. Oh my god. Man, bunnies are so cute. You have no idea. Yo, you know what? Halo and bunnies, they're related. They're related. There's a direct coloration between Halo and bunnies. It's true. Your new PC brain? Hell yeah. Let's go. New PC brain. PC brain. Okay, we definitely need more width, I think. Let's go with like 300 width.
Sky Great TV says you got a source for that.
I got a source for that. It is well, like elites in Halo. You know how their mouth have like the 4 segments that like open and close, and like they do they have the 4 health segments, and then bunnies, they have when they're eating, their mouths have like the multiple segments too, but they have 3 segments instead of 4, because you have the 2 segments that are just below the nose that open up and move, and muscles for part of eating, but then they have their jaw as well, and so they're just an elite, a Halo elite, but with only like the bottom half is only one mouth thing instead of 2, but the top half is the same, and so I guess bunnies are pre-evolution of elites. So Halo is all about beating up bunnies. Al has done more bun research than us to do. It's true. It's true. I spent so much time just watching bunny videos. Yo, what's wrong with my SSH? Please die.
Big Siet says Halo and bunnies are related, keeping the Earth alien invasion free. Have you seen any aliens here? No. It's the bunnies with their laser and railguns protecting Earth.
Yeah. Yo, I need to move this chat. It's stopping me from pressing the button. Pick picking behavior. Ignore picking. Oh, pickable ignore. Yeah, that's what we need. Pickable ignore. That's not what I said. That's not what I said at all, Aston. What the? You fucking. I'm mad now. I'm gonna stomp. I'll do a little man stomp. Little thump. Yeah, but I didn't say it was not good. I said it's pretty fucking pog, but like well, there was only like one thing that was actually wrong with it, and the others were just like, yo, you could do this other thing because that would be cool and good and pog. And Bunny's face. Yeah, Asterton's fucking house is like ready for Bunny almost. Very, very almost. It's so cute. And I saw it and I fucking died. I was like, what the? What the? Like anything Bunny related, I just instantly die. I don't know why. I think if I see one in RL, I'm literally literally in Minecraft gonna die. It'll be too much. I won't be able to handle. I've never seen a bunny in RL, so you know. I don't believe they're real. They're too cute to be real. It was this compile time. Oh, the box didn't move. Need many bunny pictures. We all do. You will send a lot. Nice. Okay, so this works. This works. Ilfa. Yeah, Ilfa was playing Warhammer again the other day. I was like, Pog, let's go. Oh man, I miss Warhammer. Dawn of War, specifically. Okay, how about I change the overlay from what most people have? Which one do I miss? Dawn of War. The Dawn of War games. Dawn of War was fun, yeah. Like the number one games. I mean, like Dawn of War 2 as well. Dawn of War 2 had its. It was a fresh game genre. And it was kind of cool. But Dawn of War 1, like I think a lot of it is just nostalgia because it's. I don't know. I liked the Sisters of Battle. I was like, hell yeah, let's go. Let's change how these chat boxes work. So we want it so that the name, like if we start making them actual boxes, oh my god. Nixon, what kind of question is this? Oop. How do we make these boxes? Well, it's like, how do I even like want to go about making this a box?
Being an awesome, smart, and cute. Oh my. Oh.
Skycry TV says, are you an owl?
Whoa. Yeah, I might be. I might be now. True. True. Chat message 1. Owlcat? Yeah, there we go. You got it. Because if I want like if it's a box and then you put the name on the top left, okay, maybe we can do this. Okay, Owlcat. Only. Okay, so let's go node well, it's not node default, so pretty sure this becomes children again. children within children within children. Okay, so if we want a username, is there a difference between an owlcat and a cat owl? Yes. Yeah, there is. You didn't know you can even pin messages on mobile. The day you learned. So if I on the name on the top left, how would I do that? So this would be the box itself. So this would have the color, the background color of the box. So we go, so what's that? That's the title. That's that. Yeah, so here, if we go background color, it will make it blue, background color, and we'll just go like blue, from blue, just so we know what's going on there. But then this is well, yeah, it's a display flex. And it would it be column? I think this one's column, right? So you want the name on the top. I think it's so flex direction. I don't know what's wrong with my autocomplete, but it's not working. Column. And so we would have two children. One child would be no defaults, followed by text new, and then this would be username. And then the next child would be the actual message itself. We need to import blue, I think. It did not rise. Oh, unfortunate. This one, this node, default. This will be, I think, align self. Align self. Flex start. This one will go align items. Center? Do we center them? We might left align them. I don't know. Justify content. Let's see what this looks like. Why it is linked? It is getting linked. Oh, I'm probably gonna be up late again though. No. I don't know when my inspection is. I really should find out. I should clean. Sad. Dried instant use, but last time it was the same and it worked. It's kind of worked. You're an anomaly. Welcome in. Hi. Okay, I think I'm done for today. My throat was sore before we began, so and it's late, so I think I'm done. A bad packet of yeast? Oh no. That's unfortunate. Yeah. Are you done? Yeah. At least I'm not well done. Just done.
Stoic Right UV says Typhus stream, 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 Typhus stream.
Do I raid or do I just be like, finish? Who knows? Who knows?
Trade Sputter says Typhus ream.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, okay, so I do want to work on this more at some point.
Big Siat says, take a stream, take a stream, take a stream, take a stream. The cute statin declares, and the last word of the stream is, silence fights neen. Anonymous says, rest well.
Thank you. Oh my god, all the fails. Okay, yeah, I'm done. I'm just gonna end it. Fuck it.
The cute statin declares,
Okay,
and the last word
bye-bye.
of the stream is,
Neen, question mark? Bye-bye.
Neen.
Neen.